All right, so we're gonna make a quick and delicious enchilada sauce today. We have a recipe that's gonna be gluten-free and just uses a handful of ingredients and only takes a few minutes to make. To start, I'm gonna turn the stove onto medium heat. Add 2 cans of tomato sauce. All right, next I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and you can use ground cumin, cumin seeds, a combination of both. I'm going to add a tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt. You can add salt and pepper to taste. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of hot sauce. The one I'm using is Cholula, but you can use really any sauce you want. And then we're just gonna let this come to a low simmer, and then it's good to go. All right, and there we go. Homemade enchilada sauce in under 5 minutes.